coding is when there is a secret language or like any language where two people know. So if we hand it out to the wrong hands, they won't understand it. And decoding is when we get the code when our friend has given it to us, we have to start and finding the real letters to find the meaning.
Absolutely. Yes. That's exactly what we call as coding and decoding. Very good, Arjun. Very well explained. So, yes, we all have to act like detectives and try to find out what message are they trying to give out. Okay. So, there are two types mainly with this that can be used in the substitution method. Okay. So, one is where we are using the word called, and one where the question has the word means. So always remember, the called questions are easy. I mean, that is simply straightforward, whatever the question is telling us, what the code is telling us. But remember, in coding, means is used for reverse coding. Means you have to go backwards. You have to do backward coding. With the word called, you have to do forward coding. Whereas with the word means, you have to do reverse coding, that is backward coding. Now, with questions, you will be able to understand this properly. Okay, let's move on. So, for example, here, this is the example of a coding message that is given with the word using called. So if parrot is called peacock, so here we are going to do forward coding. Peacock is called pigeon. Pigeon is called sparrow. Sparrow is called bird. Then what is the name of national bird? Okay, the question is, what is the name of our national bird? So first of all, who can tell me who's our national bird? Yes,
ma'am. Answer
yes,
is
Kritik.
pigeon, ma'am.
My question is, which is our national bird?
Peacock.
Peacock. Okay. But now here what they have said, peacock, where is peacock? Peacock is here. Peacock is called pigeon. That's why we have to select the option pigeon. Okay, Kritik, you're right. But my question was, what is the national bird? That's why, I mean, I just wanted to go step by step so that everybody understands. Since our national bird is peacock, but here in the question, peacock is called pigeon. That's why pigeon is the right answer. Okay, that's why pigeon is the right answer. So we know peacock is the national bird, but here peacock is called pigeon. So option C is the right answer. Okay, moving on to understand where they have given the word means. Always remember, when means comes, we have to do reverse coding. Go backwards. Okay. If wall means window, window means door, door means roof, we open the dash to enter the house.
Ma'am, I know it, ma'am.
I know that, but then I need to even consider other children who may not be able to understand, right? Okay. So, Kritik, if you know it, yes, that's very good. Let the other children understand it. So, we open the dash to enter the house. So, first, to get the answer, we need to first give the original answer. What do we open? Medasvi, what do we open to enter the house?
Ma'am, door, but in coding by substitution, there is roof.
There is roof. Okay.
Yes.
That's where we have to be very careful, Medasvi. What have they said? They have used the word means. So when means comes, we have to do backward coding, that is reverse coding. Okay, so we have to look for the word door that is on the right hand side. So here door is there. So we go reverse coding. So door means what? Window. So my answer will be window. Okay. Here the right answer would be door, but since we have to do reverse coding over here because word means is used, that's why we go backwards and we find that door If backwards when we go, reverse when we go, we find it as window.